Hi guys, today we're talking about the Annod Skincare. So Annod Skincare is an Australian natural skincare company. They hand make their products in small batches using natural ingredients. Sometimes it can be a little bit risky trying out new products, so they do trial packs of the products so you can have a go of just a little bit to see if you like it, but they also have a money back guarantee. So if you don't like the products, you can get a refund, an exchange or a return. They have some products suitable for all different skin types, for normal, oily, dry, mature or sensitive skin. You can choose the products individually so you can get whatever you think sounds best for you, or they have packs that you can choose for skin types. They also have this really cool thing called the Skincare Club where you can sign up and you just get your skincare delivered to your door hassle-free. So that sounds really awesome to me. So we'll quickly go through the products. I'll let you know what's in the Hydrate Me pack that I got, and then I'm going to give them a try for a week and give you guys my honest opinion on what I thought of them after the week. They come in this absolutely beautiful packaging, really lovely and minimalistic, and kind of a frosted plastic bottle. I'll go through them in the order that you're supposed to use them. So you're supposed to cleanse, then hydrate with the rose mist, then use the exfoliant, then the clay mask, and then lastly the moisturizer. So we'll go through them in that order. I'll show you guys how to use the products as we go. So first up we have the Hydrating Jojoba Cleanser. It's perfect for all skin types. It helps maintain your plump and youthful glow and immediately leaves your skin feeling healthy, soft and clean. So you apply it to a dry face, add water to your hands and massage over the cleanser. Massage it 2 or 3 times and then wash it off with warm water. The second step in our routine is the Hydrating Rose Mist. So this one's perfect for all skin types. The rose mist helps strengthen the capillaries and nurture all skin types, leaving it feeling soft and supple. It detoxifies and restores your skin's natural pH, and it's perfect for awakening the skin early in the morning or boosting it with purifying botanicals at night. You spray the hydrating organic rose mist all over the face, neck and décolletage, ensuring you completely wet the skin, and then using a makeup pad gently wipe your face, starting in the middle of the forehead and travelling outwards. The third step in our routine is the regenerative organic lavender exfoliant. It contains incredible restorative benefits that encourage skin cell turnover and smooths fine lines and wrinkles. It draws out dirt and oil from the skin, leaving the skin feeling moist while purifying and calming it. So use about a 20-cent piece of lavender exfoliant in the palm of your hand, add water until it's a creamy paste and massage hands together. Then you apply it to the face and chest and massage with wet fingertips in small circular movements. And then using a wet face washer or sponge to wash it off. The fourth step in our routine is a balancing green clay mask. It's a beautiful blend of clays that leaves your face brighter, cleaner, softer and more refined, all while giving your skin vital vitamins and minerals and absorbing and balancing excess oil production. So you apply the balancing green clay mask with fingertips or a mask brush over your face, wait until it dries completely and then wash it off with a wet face washer or a sponge. And you use this one once a week. And then to finish off our routine, we use the Enriching Jojoba Cream. It's a silky, lightweight and super hydrating moisturizer. It restores elasticity to your skin and smooths the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It can be used as a day cream or a lightweight night cream to leave your skin brighter, smoother and more youthful. You just add 1 to 2 pumps of enriching cream onto your palm of your hand and rub your palms together. Press your palms into your face, starting outside and moving inwards. And finish with an outward massage, working with the fingertips from the middle of your face to the outside. I'm super excited to give these ones a try and see if they work really lovely for my skin. I've heard such great things for them, and I love that they're Australian made and made in small batches and made with natural products. Like, all really exciting things to me. So I'll see you guys in a week and let you know how I've gone. Hey, I'm back after a week of using the Annod Skincare and it's really good. So we'll go through all the different bits and I'll let you know what I thought about all the different products. So we'll start with the cleanser. I think you're going to get a bit of a pattern with all these products. These products are beautiful. So this cleanser is really lovely. You just put a little bit on your hand and put it on your face and then add a little bit of water onto it, and it spreads out really nicely. It doesn't foam up or anything. It stays like as a cream consistency. It doesn't sting my eyes and it gets off my eye makeup really good. I use a waterproof mascara and it's normally really hard to get it off. It makes my skin feel really nice and hydrated. It doesn't dry out the skin at all. And it smells really good as well. Yeah, enjoy the cleanser. Next up we've got the lavender exfoliant. So it smells really good. It smells a lot like lavender, very fresh smelling. It's a very gentle cleanser. It doesn't have a lot of exfoliating, like particulate exfoliant. It's more of a gentle exfoliant. Once again, it made my skin feel really clean. It felt like I had removed all the dead skin and stuff, and my skin felt really smooth after using it. I generally like a more rough exfoliant, but this one still worked really well. Even though it was really nice and gentle, it felt like it still did a really good job without that really harsh feeling of most exfoliants. So yeah, also really lovely. And we had the green clay mask. So this mask felt really good as well. I found when I left it on a little bit too long, it made my skin feel dry. So I messaged the owner, Donna, and she was so lovely, and she suggested that I just take it off a little bit sooner, and which I did when I tried it again, and it was so lovely. I'd left it for, the first time I left it for about 15 minutes, and I think that was a little bit too long for my skin because my skin's so dry to start with. So the next time I left it on for about 8 or 9 minutes until it like just dried on my skin, and then washed it off. And it felt really lovely on my skin. My skin felt really smooth and nice after, and nice and clean. I don't particularly get oily skin. As I said, my skin is ridiculously dry. So I didn't find that it removed too many oils or anything like that. It didn't leave my skin feeling too dry after using it. Just felt really good. Felt really nice and clean. And just the kind of standard clay smell, not strong smell or anything. It felt pleasant to wear for the whole time. And it's got this really cool texture. I really like the spongy texture. I found it a little bit easier to use with a mask brush than just with my fingers, but both worked. Just applied a little bit smoother with a mask brush, which is what I find generally anyway. Then we'll go over the Hydrating Organic Rose Mist. I was a little bit worried about this because I really don't like the smell of rose, but this actually smelled really lovely. It smelled like kind of like you were just walking past a rose bush rather than the really artificial or really strong scent. It smelled really fresh and like just really gently of rose, not like in your face overpowering or anything. It smelled really nice, and also it felt nice on my skin. It felt really hydrating, a nice refresh in the middle of the day, a nice toner at the end of the day. It's got a nice fine mist. It doesn't feel like it hits you smack in the face and then you don't like it anymore. Yeah, just really, really nice. And oh my goodness, all the packaging on these are so beautiful, I must say. Like, having these on my bathroom is so lovely. Talked last about the enriching moisturizer, and all I can say for this is wow, this product is amazing. You need like just 2 squirts, covers my whole face, so it's going to last a really long time. And like as soon as you put it on your skin, it just melts straight into your skin. Like, it doesn't sit on top and get really oily, and oh, it's just beautiful. It absorbs in straight away. Really lovely texture, makes my skin feel so nice and plump and hydrated, and it lasts the whole day. Like, generally I have to reapply morning and night, and then sometimes during the day as well, but I felt like even at night I did reapply it because I need it for overnight, but I felt like my skin didn't have that really gross dry feeling by the end of the day. It still felt really nice and fresh, and it's so smooth. Like, using all these products made my skin feel so lovely all week. It's been a really lovely week. Yeah, and once again, this is not a very strong scent. It smells really gentle smell, so it doesn't overpower your perfume or anything. Some moisturizers smell really strong and it's not as nice, but this one's just a really nice, gentle, pleasant smell. So after a week of using the Annod products, it's been lovely. It's been a really great experience. My skin feels really lovely and smooth and soft and exfoliated and clean, and just, yeah, it's been really lovely. So hopefully you guys have a good experience with it too.